Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy S&P 500 ETFs on Moomoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I want to do is open up my Moomoo app. From here I'm going to be on watch list, but make sure to log in or sign up. Then from here we need to do a search. So at the bottom of the page, top of the page, we've got a search button there. So from here, let's do a search. So if I want to buy S&P 500, I'm going to type in S&P 500 and click search. Now if I want to buy this one here, so I'm going to click into it, and now I'm going to choose which one inside of here. So for like iShares, I'm going to click into that, and now in order to buy this, I'm going to click on where it says trade. I'm going to click on buy, and so we got a limit order. We can change that to market. We can do stop limit, stop, trading stop, and like that. So I'm just going to keep it to a limit order, and that's the price. And then we can change that if we like. So I want it 2% below 0.2% current price, or we can have a play around what price you want to put in, and then the quantity, put in the quantity. I'm just going to do 1 for this. Then from here, I'm going to click on the buy button. But when I click buy, I need to put in my password. All right, it's unlocked. Now I'm going to click on buy. When I click on buy, it does say to open a position Australian stocks, your first order must have a minimum value of 500 AUD or more. So you need to make sure you got that as well.